Welcome to part 2 of our travel day to Bangkok from Newcastle Airport, the UK. We're currently in Dubai Airport and we've got about 3 hours to wait. And of course, Ellie and Tristan had to have
a McDonald's.
Maggie D's. So yeah, a few hours to wait. Get on board the Airbus A380, the double decker, and I'll show you the highlights of that one. So here we are, we're on board Emirates A380 from Dubai to Bangkok. The seats are a little bit wider, the screens are a little bit bigger, and there's a better movie selection. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. And just like that, we've made it to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. That's the end of part 2 of our travel to Pattaya. Part 3 will be the drive with Gordon, the father-in-law, from Bangkok to Pattaya. See you all on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.